In this video, I will show you how to add DNS records in Namecheap. To do this, just go to open up Namecheap, go to account right here, and then just click dashboard. And then from here, you want to go to your domain list. And then here, go to the domain you want to do this for. And if it's right here, click manage. If not, click on the drop down and there click manage. And then from here, what you can then do is click on advanced DNS. And then a helpful tip for if you are connecting to Shopify, Weebly, or Wix, just go and click choose DNS template and then go and click on the one you're connecting to, and then it will automatically point the DNS toward that provider. Now, if it's not one of those, then just scroll down and here you now have your DNS records. Now, what you can start with is by deleting the ones that you currently have, and then just click on add a new record. So for example, you can add an A record and a CNAME, which is what I had to do. Then just enter the host section, which can be @ or www or whatever else. Then the IP address you need to use and the target. And then you can set the TTL to automatic. You can also make it 5 minutes, 1 minute. I usually do automatic. And then just click save changes on both of the DNS records or all of them if you have more. And then once you have saved the changes, you will then have added those DNS records in your Namecheap domain. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.